Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. Dark green color, red color, Persian blue color, dark pink color, sky blue color, white color, yellow color, blue color, brown color, yes, light pink color, black color, orange color, light green color, and the last one is silver color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Now start writing alphabets. First we're using the color of silver and now we're writing the alphabet of A. The next one is B, C, D, E, F, G. The next one is H, I, J, K, L, M, and the next one is N. And for nose and for nest. Dark pink color. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching.